welcome to another episode of Ask Jade. So, topic today is legacy and the law. Estate planning is not just for the rich or old. Let's talk about it. Wills and trusts. What are the differences? What are the purposes? Both are very important. A will, it's like a legal roadmap dictating how you want your estate to be divided up. It has a testator, an executor, beneficiaries. It can provide for guardianship for minors. But a will still is subject to probate, and probate is public, and creditors can file against your estate. A trust avoids probate. A trust is like a storage box where it can hold your assets for the beneficiaries that you set forth in that agreement. This includes a grantor, settlor, trustee, and beneficiaries. Those are the terms within a trust. A trust remains private because it's not in probate. It can avoid taxes. It can be revocable, also known as a living trust, or irrevocable, which we usually only do in special cases. But we would discuss that if you had questions about that. What's right for you? So usually if you have minor children, own a home, or have specific wishes about how you want your estate to be specifically divided up, a trust is best. If you have a large estate, over 4 million, which is the current threshold in the state of Illinois, you might consider an irrevocable trust for certain assets. We would discuss that. And then if you don't own any real estate and all the primary and contingent beneficiaries that you would want are over 18, you could simply really just name your beneficiaries on your accounts, like your bank accounts or any policies you have. Another important tool when it comes to estate planning is power of attorney. There's power of attorney financial or property, and then there's healthcare. Financial power of attorney is a legal document that says and appoints an agent if you are incapacitated for some reason. That's determined by a physician or a court. And then that agent can step in and make sure your bills are getting paid, sign contracts on your behalf, make deposits and withdrawals, act for your benefit while you're still living but incapacitated. Healthcare power of attorney, legal document granting an agent, again, only if you are not able to make your own healthcare decisions, they could step in. Usually this might be if you were in like a car accident and in a coma, someone needs authorized surgery, or even if in certain cases where if you were on like life support or an end of life treatment options, you can indicate what your wishes would be there, and your agent could indicate that as well. So these are very important tools for everyone. Everyone should be thinking about this and get it into play. Just do it, cross it off your list. We set it up so that you get it done. You don't really ever have to think about it again. So if you have questions, if you've been thinking about this, I'd be happy to help. So as always, feel free to reach out to Jade Carpenter at Diamond Carpenter, and I'll see you